film before I tucked in. Good?
Really nice.
It's my half-eaten breakfast. We have finally arrived on Azura. It's been a really long day. We're in Tenerife. Everything's been really organised though. There was loads of people from P&O to help. We flew a Jet2 from Gatwick. We met a lovely lady called Pam on the flight. We've been chatting to her the whole way. And then we got a coach over. It's a 45-minute coach. Went really quick and it's just gone 5 o'clock. We've had a little look around the ship and we're going to get ready for dinner. Then we're going to do a pub quiz. But yeah, it was really smooth. So if you're flying to a cruise, I wouldn't worry about it. They literally did everything for us, everything. And also, when we went down to our cabin, we bumped into our steward, and he already knew who we were. I thought it was so nice. It was such a nice touch. He was like, B525, Chloe and Brandon. It was so sweet. But yeah, long day. Gonna go straight to dinner because the buffet's shut, which was the lunch option because we got here so late. And then yeah, pub quiz in Brody's Bar. Got beef cheek and it's got steak and chips. And we've got some wine with dinner, and then we put this tag on, and then what's left they'll bring out to our table wherever we're sat tomorrow. Brandon might do dancing with me.
Not my thing.
I think it's fun. We are heading to the pool. All the towels on deck, which is good. Is it warm? Nice. So sunny. Nearly at Madeira. And just like that, we're in Madeira. You see all the mountains. Just gonna go and have some lunch. Got a chocolate brownie cake. Brandon's got panna cotta, but we're gonna half and half. Madeira today, quite quiet as well because I think a lot of people got off early, but we're here for like the whole day. So we went and used the hot tub, met a couple of guys there. They're really nice. We keep meeting really nice people, really lovely people. Everyone's really chatty on a cruise. And then we went and had lunch in the restaurant. We had chicken tikka and like a curried cauliflower thing. Anyway, it was really nice. Then we're going to Madeira. The people we met yesterday recommended going to the Reeds Hotel. Apparently Churchill used to go there as well. So we might head there, have a wander around. We might do the cable car as well. I did it before. It's really good, the cable car. I think it's about €18 each for a return ride. The toboggan isn't open today because it's a Sunday, only if you do the excursion. About to get off at the gangway, which I think is level 5, deck 5, and yeah, take you around Madeira.
This is your receipt and this is your tickets to go up and
We decided to get the cable car up. We're just in the coffee shop at the top with Lamb, having basil ice cream and Fanta. Come up onto deck 19, and how stunning is Madeira? So high up. Just can't get over how stunning it is. It's about 6:30 as well, it's still warm, no wind at all. Such a nice evening. It's really quiet as well.
till 11:30 tonight.
It's our first formal night. We're just going to head to dinner. We had such a nice day today, actually. It's our first sea day, as I said this morning. We spent it by the pool with a lady called Lanisha. She was lovely. She was with her girlfriends. We keep meeting so many people, and they're all really lovely, aren't they?
Yeah, already chatty, aren't they?
Yeah. But yes, we're just heading out for our first formal evening, and we've got vouchers to have champagne, and yeah, we're ready.
Brandon's got some veggie sticks. 2 of 5.
5 for you.
It's alright. You're going to have a cheese plate, I'm sure.
Never make promises, 'cause I don't keep them. I already miss you.
So tired.
And there's the change, as some of you ladies will experience in later life.
For a midnight snack.
But worth for the occasion.
I'm not sure the last time I spoke. We just got back from a late night snack at the buffet. It's nearly 1 a.m. Filled in. We're always talking about food. Just filled in the breakfast in our room thing, like hang it on the door, and then just fill in what you want. We're gonna hang that out. I think we're a bit late actually, but we'll see what happens tomorrow. Tomorrow we're in Palma, so that should be nice. Just gonna have a wander again. Then we're gonna watch the England vs Wales game for the World Cup in the evening by the pool. So I think we're going to have dinner in the buffet as well, which I haven't done yet. Dinner tonight was really nice. The menu's not the same as it used to be fair. I've been on a couple of quite a few P&O cruises in the past, like my family and that, and yeah, it's not the same as it used to be, but it was still really nice. And then we went to a show called Badness. It was actually really funny. The theatre was stuffed, so full. That was really good. It was a really nice evening actually. Would you say it was a nice evening?
I think so.
Yeah. Been a good
Fun.
evening. Yeah. We had a good day as well. I sat around by the pool. I went to a ladies' pamper party on my own, which was actually really good, and they ended up selling me loads of products that I shouldn't have brought and spent all that money on. But it's done now, and I'm going to have glowing skin apparently. Apparently I needed it all. Oh yeah, Brandon made friends with some ladies. I came back and they were all giggling. And then we did a quiz with them. While I sat around the pool, they do loads of different bits and bobs. So we did a couple of quizzes by the pool, which was nice. And yeah, had a little swim, sat in the hot tub for a bit. Yeah, it's been a really good day actually. See what the Palma's like tomorrow. Morning. Our room service arrived, even though we put it out
1 a.m.
Yeah, 1 a.m. and it was meant to be out at 10. But it all arrived. Cute. Brand's got some Rice Krispies, got some fruit, the smallest pan of chocolate, so if you're ordering, get a few. And then we've got, oh, they're doing a drill. They finished their drill and they do loads of like man overboard practices and stuff. But we're gonna have our breakfast and then go to La Palma. We're heading back to the ship. They have complimentary shuttle buses, which is nice. Not that it's far.
Take us about 6 feet. No.
It'd be rude not to.
We could have walked back by now, to be fair.
Yeah.
It's funny.
La Palma was so nice though, wasn't it?
Yeah.
We just wandered, looked in the little shops,
Nice weather.
watched the waves crash for ages and these huge ass crabs. Huge crabs. Met some more people.
Got a shot glass.
Yeah, got a shot glass. We collect shot glasses. We have one for everywhere.
I think we mentioned it before though.
Have we?
I think so.
I don't remember.
But yeah, we do. Everywhere we go.
Yeah. And also, we did notice La Palma's really wheelchair friendly. You noticed it more than me. Like on the beach, there's decking in that for wheelchairs, so you can get onto the beach, which I thought was really nice.
Yeah, it is.
Not that we are in wheelchairs, but
No, but other people are.
yeah. And then we're going back to the ship. We're going to have lunch in the restaurant, sit by the pool, watch the football game this evening, and see you day tomorrow. It's football night, England vs Wales. I brought us t-shirts. I don't really like football, but Brandon loves football, so I thought I'd show my enthusiasm by buying t-shirts because you can't watch it with the boys because we're on holiday. But we're outside watching it on the big screen. I'll turn it around. Hasn't started yet, but it's nice, and everyone's got blankets and they put the comfy cushions on. There's quite a few people out already. Should be good. Guys, I've had to split the video into 2 parts. Thanks for watching part 1. Continue watching in part 2.